TeamFullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I want to come and do an unboxing and also talk to you guys about a skincare product I have been really obsessing about. If you guys have followed me on Instagram or on my Facebook or on my YouTube channel, you guys have seen me showing this skincare product. So let's do unboxing. Normally, I love to shop on Zalando when it comes to clothes. I have been shopping on Zalando for clothes for a very long time. I've never really dived into their skincare product. When it comes to skincare, I like to go to Douglas because that's my favorite store. But Zalando was having some sales on the Sol de Janeiro product. If I'm mispronouncing the name, please excuse me. But I picked this up on the first batch I picked on Douglas. But then I saw Zalando was having some sales and some discount. This product are quite pricey, so if you can pick it up on discount, do that. It will save you a little bit. Not much. The discount wasn't really that much, but it was still something. So I decided to pick up some of their products because I'm already out of their body butter. This is like my second. No, this is my third. This I'm going to open now is my third. One thing I love about this body butter, they have the refiller, so you don't have to buy this entire thing. You can just buy the refiller. So that's what I did for the second one. This was the first original container. When it's finished, I pick up the refill one, and then that one is finished. And then when it was finished, I had the travel size one with the body mist and the shower gel and body cream. So when that one finished and I didn't have any at home, I went and take the mini size one that I have for travel. So I was using it. Now it's finished, but I'm gonna refill it with a new one that I've got because I don't like to carry the bigger container whenever I'm going on a short holidays or short trips. I don't like to carry the big ones. So I still have some of their product. The only thing is that this one is finished. I still have their body mist. I'm really loving this one. The body oil. The body oil, this is my second because this one is finished. This is my second. And the perfume also, you guys can see how much I have been using this. I really loved it. So therefore, when I saw on Zalando they're having some discounts, I thought, you know what, let me pick it up. So yeah, this is my first Zalando skincare product. After that, I also saw some amazing stuff which I'll be talking about separately on another video. So this is the box. Let me open it and show you guys what I actually picked up. This is the price and everything. So I also pick up extra body mist because I loved it, even though I still have quite a lot here, not that much, but I also have the travel size one, which is good. So I pick up this one. I'm gonna put it on the bed, and this is what I was really I really needed this because I don't have any butter. Today I finally used the last one so I don't have any. So this is the refiller. This is the refiller because that's what I love about this. I love this product. It smells so good. Let me okay. This is the second, guys can see. This is the second time I am picking up this one, and I really love it. It's so easy, like you see, you just ta-da! Like, this is clean. There's nothing in here. Like when I tell you I clean this product, see, you see how clean it is. You don't even see any white patches. I clean it up. That's how much I love it. So with this one, you just put it in. You can still use the cover and close. So I really love the refiller. I really loved it. So this is what it came in. So yeah, loading. What else did I pick up? I also pick up extra body oil, even though it's not that much. Like I really go in, especially in the summer, I really go in with the body oil. So I did pick up an extra. I'm not gonna open it because I still have. I also pick up extra perfume because it was on sales. Because normally this one would cost like 80 bucks. I think I got this one for 60 something, was on sales. So yeah, I got it for 60 something. It was on sale, so for me it was amazing. I don't need it now, but at least when I'm out of this one, I still have 2 backups. So I have 3 backup. I have the body mist, the oil, and the perfume. The only thing I need to get, and I forgot. I thought, why didn't I just buy 2 of this one? Why didn't I get 2 of this? Because the way I layer this on my body, especially when I want to go out, the way I layered it on my body, it's amazing. I just like rub it in. So maybe I will get 1 more of this so that at least I have the complete set as a backup, because now if this one finished, then I have to thinking of getting a new one because I don't have the complete set. So yeah, that's what I picked up on Zalando. So if you live in Netherlands, check out Zalando. Sometimes they really have some really nice discounts. I have been shopping on Zalando since 2010. I have been shopping on Zalando, and sometimes they really have nice discounts. One thing I do the most is whenever I saw something that I really like, I put it in my wish list and I leave it there, and then I try to check it now and there to see if the price has come down or not. And that was how I was able to score these amazing deals when it comes to this product. So yeah, I really loved it, and every time I wear this product, I go out, I always get the most amazing compliment. I like to mix this body spray. I go whenever I use it the entire set, yeah, I like to spray it with my TeamFullest tobacco vanilla. Like, these 2 together, I've gotten great compliments. Like, mixing these 2 together, I've gotten really, even when I wear this on its own, I always get an amazing compliment. I try to use product that also have vanilla. When I'm using my perfume, I try to at least use product that have vanilla, because I've noticed that whenever I have whenever I use something that they have the similar ingredients, it stays longer on the skin, and I get amazing compliments. Like, 2 of the main compliment I always get. 2 of the main compliment I always get whenever I step out of my house. One, I get it more than the other because I'm not always glammed up. But the days I do, I get compliment. Oh, you look so good. You look so beautiful. But one compliment I get the most is, you smell so delicious. I remember one day I was in the train. I don't know where I was going, and there was this guy behind me, and he just stand up and said, I don't mean to be rude, but you smell so delicious. You smell like I just feel like eating you. You smell like a candy. I was like, okay, thank you. It was like, I don't mean to be rude, but you smell like candy. You smell so sweet. You smell so delicious. That's one compliment I get the most. Maybe one of these days I will show you guys my shower routine. Smelling good don't have to do with all these products, okay? These products are just like, but it begins in the shower. So one day, very soon, I'll come here and share with you guys my shower routine. I love trying different products. Also, when it comes to perfume, I love trying different things. I have a bunch of stuff that I have used that I want to come and show you guys. I don't know, something came in me. I was like, you know what, let me just keep everything, and I'll come and show you guys everything that I've used so far. But yeah, this is the unboxing. These 2 together with the body mist, the body oil, the body butter, and the shower gel. I also have the shower gel in my in the bathroom, because I have the entire set. The shower gel, the body mist, the body oil. The only thing I don't have is the shower oil, because I really love shower oil. So I got a different brand of shower oil, and a body scrub. I got a different one, but those ones also have the shower oil don't have vanilla in it, but the body scrub do have vanilla. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support.